You know, I never really considered myself a car guy. I used to have an old sports car, but I got rid of it again. I used to just consider driving a car to be a thing you did to get from A to B. Electric cars have changed my view about that. They're a better way to drive cars. I love technology. I've been involved with it for ages. I was one of the people lucky enough to help build the internet in Australia, and so I got this very early look at technology, and it's really been a huge part of my life ever since. Almost everything I do is about using technology to make something happen that's better in the world. The car has so many things that you would expect from a car built in the era of the internet, a car built in the era of modern computers. What I guess I hadn't expected was that I was getting into something that was like a spaceship. It was like sitting in the future. One of the big things about it is the application that's on your smartphone that lets you talk to the vehicle. So you can remotely turn on the air conditioning, you can remotely figure out where the car is if you've forgotten where you've left it. The thing's been designed to be one smooth driving experience and one smooth interaction. Because the Model S is such a software-driven environment, it does actually integrate with the work aspects of my life really quite well as well. So you get into the car in the morning and your daily appointments are sitting on the screen ready for you. If you want to go driving somewhere, the car already knows where you're heading, so it's very easy to load that destination into the car. The vehicle becomes an extension of you. Tesla are very good at producing a virtuous cycle with their own owners, myself included, in terms of getting suggestions from owners, incorporating them into future software updates. So the car is growing and changing in terms of its capabilities as its owners drive it. It's a lovely thing to feel like the car is wrapped around you and you just think your way around the road. You know, if you buy a conventional car, your interaction with the people that made it has ended at that point. If you buy one of these cars, your interaction has only just begun.